What if transforming a digital pain point into a superpower could be done in minutes, not months? Today, you'll discover how to build and launch your first SharePoint agent using Microsoft Copilot Studio. Let's begin with Copilot Studio, the creative canvas behind your agent, enabling anyone to design AI that connects and delivers real-time help with low-code simplicity. Let's get hands-on. Navigate to Copilot Studio, click Create, and select Plus New Agent. Name your agent clearly and describe its purpose. Accept Copilot's suggested core tasks and language. Confirm each refinement by replying Yes for a tailored, intelligent assistant. Skip advanced configuration for now and click Create. Instantly, you'll see the agent overview, your control center for adjustments. Add your SharePoint document library as a knowledge source. Click Add Knowledge, select SharePoint, and enter your library URL. You can add multiple sites as needed. If a data loss prevention alert appears, coordinate with your Power Platform admin to enable the necessary connector. Testing is simple and powerful. In the chat window, ask for a specific document, like lion.docs. The agent provides a direct link. Ask for details, and the agent extracts information from inside the document, even handling complex queries, such as listing all herbivorous animals. Deploying your agent into SharePoint is seamless. From your site, select Plus New, then Agent. Open and approve it for users so everyone can access it. This started as a basic demo, but the impact is immense. Imagine automating HR queries, inventory management, compliance, onboarding, and content summarization, all with SharePoint agents. Ready to build your own agent? Start today, read the full article for advanced tips, and subscribe for future deep dives into customization and scaling. The future of work is here. Shape it with SharePoint agents.